Homeostatic mechanisms maintain balance in the human body through two types of feedback systems: negative feedback and positive feedback. These regulatory processes ensure that physiological variables remain within optimal ranges despite external changes. Consider a biochemical chain reaction where substance A converts to B, B converts to C converts to D, and D converts to E. Each conversion is catalyzed by specific enzymes, and the rate of each enzymatic reaction can vary significantly. In any enzymatic pathway, there is typically one reaction that proceeds more slowly than the others. This rate-limiting step determines the overall speed of the entire biochemical pathway and serves as a key regulatory point for the entire process. Negative feedback occurs when an intermediate product accumulates beyond optimal levels. The high concentration of this intermediate inhibits the enzyme responsible for its production, creating a self-regulating mechanism that prevents overproduction and maintains homeostasis. Positive feedback occurs when a reduction in intermediate levels activates enzymes to restore normal concentrations. Unlike negative feedback, which inhibits production, positive feedback stimulates increased production to correct deficiencies and maintain physiological balance. In cardiovascular regulation, bradycardia resulting from high blood pressure demonstrates negative feedback, where increased pressure triggers mechanisms to slow heart rate. Conversely, blood coagulation represents positive feedback, where activated clotting factors stimulate further activation to rapidly form clots and prevent blood loss. In summary, homeostatic mechanisms employ both negative and positive feedback to maintain physiological balance. Negative feedback prevents excessive production while positive feedback restores deficient levels. Together, these complementary systems ensure stable internal conditions essential for human health and function.